Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The UK's 10Y bond auction will be released at 9:30 GMT, Finland's trade balance at 6 GMT, Japan's 10Y bond auction at 3:35 GMT. The French industrial output will be released at 6:45 GMT. The US API weekly crude oil stock at 20:30 GMT. The US 3-year note auction at 17 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Wall Street's main indexes bounced back after a sharp pullback in the previous session, buoyed up by growing expectations of deeper Federal Reserve interest rate cuts following an unexpectedly weak jobs report. Cryptocurrency investment products ended last week in the red, interrupting 15 weeks of consecutive inflows after investor sentiment took a hit from hawkish remarks during last week's Federal Open Market Committee meeting. Class A shares of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway fell more than 3% in afternoon trading as investors fretted over a $3.8 billion write-down and a dip in quarterly operating profit that the firm disclosed on Saturday.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The gold-dollar pair gained 0.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.